Alright, Amazon came through with my crazy 2,000 watt transformer. I'm definitely going to have my work cut out for me trying to fit it into this hole. The funny thing about it is it's got these little shrimp fried rice carry handles, as if anybody's actually traveling with this 40-pound behemoth. Working on a little bit of a test rip here before I get too far ahead of myself. Cut off the crazy European connector and deciphered what color wire does what. Lo and behold, it works. The next logical step here was to crack this coconut open. That'll buy me some valuable space, and it doesn't really have to be shielded from bumps and bruises since it's going to be bolted directly to the base plate of the welder anyway. Got the back plate of the welder peeled back, and you can see that the transformer just fucking fits. So I think we'll be in good shape. 240 coming in this side, 120 coming out this side, into the outlet. Alright, just about got this basic shit wrapped up. The transformer's bolted in, it's all wired up to the outlet, and then I tapped power here off of the output side of the main switch on the welder. So when you flip that, the cooler also powers on. And then I left myself with the second outlet in case I want to plug in a grinder or something.